on two red dump trucks riding along. Lots of toy cars are coming strong.
A fire truck, a police car too, an ambulance and bulldozer crew.
The red dump truck is ready to go. Bump, bump roads, it rolls so slow.
Let's all go together, they shout with cheer.
The red dump truck is full of gear.
Meanwhile,
a green dump truck nearby
was carrying big rocks piled up high.
on a bumpy road, it shook and spun.
Thump! The rock fell down. Oh no! Oh no!
The red dump truck came driving through, tripped on the rock.
What could it do?
Oh no, watch out!
Flip and fall.
It tipped right over cars and all. Rolling and tumbling down they go. Splash!
Into the pond below.
Floating gently, splash, splash, splash.
All the vehicles gasp. What a crash!
Hearing the sound, friends hurry near.
The shovel car goes dig, dig, dig.
A blue dump truck comes zooming fast.
I'll help you out, it shouts at last.
The shovel car nut extends its arm with care.
Lifts from the pond up in the air.
First comes the fire truck, safe and sound.
Plop on the blue dump truck, it's found.
Next is the police car.
Lift it slow, out of the water, there you go.
Drip, drip, drops fall from its side.
Plop on the blue dump truck, it rides. The ambulance and bulldozer too, one by one they're rescued through.
The shovel car works hard all day.
The blue dump truck is full. Hooray!
All the vehicles are saved at last.
The blue dump truck moves nice and fast.
Even bumpy roads are okay now.
To a safe place, go, go, go! The red dump truck gets fixed up too.
The green rocks move, no danger now.
The road is open, safe and clear.
Let's drive again.
Vroom, vroom, cheer!
Red, green, blue dump trucks side by side, working together with teamwork pride.
Helping each other feels so right.
Off we go, another half